Hey everyone, it's Donald with FixMyFD.com or FixMyFreezeDryer.com. Just really want to go over some stuff. I'm here. I am been here. A lot of people have sent me messages asking what's going on. I retired, obviously, from the military. Thank you for all the thank you for all the great wishes and everything from people. But obviously, when I retired, I went looked for a job, found a job. Wasn't really my thing. Wasn't too excited about it. I was selling bath remodels and stuff like that. But it took up a lot of time. So what I did is I actually left the company and trying to refocus on fixing freeze dryers. Some of you guys have ordered from our website. We had a big delay, not only because of shipping, but some of it just had to do with my work. I was working 14, 15-hour days some days. But now refocusing on everything going on, still doing 3D printing with the kids. But freeze drying repair is what I've absolutely really enjoyed. And I now have time to do it, doing what we're doing. So I'm looking for people or companies that fix freeze dryers. I am trying to add a whole section on the website for people throughout the United States. I know there's some people that are out in Idaho. I'm obviously in Kentucky. Please shoot me a message, admin@fixmyfd.com. That way we can really talk about it. I need to know some stuff about you, how you go about actually testing freeze dryers, figuring out fixes, all that stuff. If you're just following the Harvest Right BS they kind of throw out to people, I'm probably not going to add to the site, honestly. Just because I got to make sure that, it's getting done right for people at the end of the day. I talked to a lady from Alaska yesterday, and they made her pay $1,200 for just shipping to get her machine from Alaska to Utah and then back. That doesn't include what it costs to actually fix the problems with the machine and everything else. So on average, last time I knew, they were charging almost $100 an hour for labor, plus parts with their markup and everything else they got going on. So if you're in the Kentucky area, I'm going to throw out my rates. I charge what the government charges per mile, which is 73 cents per mile, both ways. So look up Lexington, Kentucky, wherever you're at, figure out mileage to you and back to Lexington. That's 73 cents per mile. And then I charge $75 an hour for labor. That's after I get to you. I don't stop until I start getting stuff done. I'm not there to sit around and BS. If you want to, we can BS. I don't think you want to pay $75 an hour to do that. But if that's what you want to do, hey, whatever. I'm really there to fix your machine and get it up and running and everything else. There will be some stuff I ask you to do before I do get there. We'll obviously do some testing before I even make an appointment to come out to you, because I want to see if it's something you're willing to fix. I'm not here to try make all this money off of people at the end of the day, but it does cost time. It costs money to get to you, everything else. But if we could get you fixed up and running, shoot me a message at admin@fixmyfd.com. Tell me your problems. If you haven't replaced your hose, I'm probably going to tell you, hey, replace that hose with a correctly fitted hose. The one at Harvest Right that they give you is a piece of crud. Get a good quality hose. It costs money to replace these things and fix them right. And then if you haven't done a vacuum fix, that's the other thing I'm going to tell you to do. The only thing I don't fix, and I'm just being honest and straight up, and that's why we're going to do a lot of testing before, is I don't fix Freon issues. Harvest Right has known leaks in their drums and everything else, and it would be a complete waste of my time, your money, for me to come out just to find, hey, you got a Freon issue, and it's nothing we can fix right there on the spot. That being said, I've gone out, fixed many, many machines. I haven't really had issues getting machines up and running. If we can't get you up and running because, hey, there's something else going on or anything else, then obviously we'll have that conversation. I'm not, as I just said, I'm there to fix your machine, not screw people over, nothing like that. So I'll bring obviously extra parts like 90-degree fittings. If you have an older freeze dryer from Harvest Right, they actually put a 90-degree fitting on there. The problem is it has a gasket in it. And correctly fitted 90-degree fittings that are JIC don't have gaskets. This right here doesn't have a gasket. A lot of people get our hoses and they're like, Donald, there's no gasket. Harvest Right says it has to have a gasket. Harvest Right doesn't know what they're talking about, even though they designed these machines. That's why they've been having problems for so long. But I'll bring this, that way we can test it. We can make sure, hey, is this the fix? This is 25 bucks. Plus whatever my hourly rate is to find the problem, right? That's all you pay. If it's not this, we take it off, we put the other part back on, and you don't pay for the part because it's nothing I can't use the next time I go to somebody else. Same thing with hoses. The only thing that I charge people for, no matter what, is a vacuum leak fix kit. The reason why is because I can't reuse the stuff. Most of the time, most people haven't used those. I will be ordering some epoxy harnesses from Harvest Right because sometimes, even after we hopefully fix your epoxy harness, there's still problems. So I'll be ordering extra stuff, and it has to do with the way they're not correctly. It's not a good fitting that they use. Other problems we are seeing is software problems. We're hoping to have a fix for that come next month. It's currently being developed, new software, new CPU. We're going to take over Harvest Right machines with new software, so you no longer have to use their software. New CPU, new screens. That way you can actually replace them without having to go to Harvest Right. Let's see. We already have new relay boards, so I'll order a couple extra of those. Those get made by somebody. I like leaving professionals doing what they do best. And so Joe, who makes those for us, he's actually the one making the CPU, the new software, and all that stuff too. And that's been through testing and I think he's been working on that like a year and a half. So waiting on that just to be perfect before it actually gets released. So biggest thing, if you're a freeze dry repair person, send me a message, admin@fixmyfd.com. If you need repairs, send me a message, admin@fixmyfd.com. You guys know what the mileage rate is. You guys know what the hourly rate is. Some people are going to say, hey, that's a ripoff. Cool. I mean, you're welcome to send it to Harvest Right. You're welcome to wait weeks and weeks for it to get fixed. They're not going to tell you what they fixed from my experience and other people's experience. So just send me a message. Let me know. You can always shoot me a text. Please text. Do not blow up my cell phone. 907-717-3625. I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If you blow up my cell phone with calls after calls after calls or text after text after text, like, I'm just going to block you. I'll just be honest with you. I'm one man trying to fix as many machines as possible, trying to get back to people as soon as possible. If you've ever emailed me, the lady emailed me last night from Alaska. I called her within 2 minutes probably of that email being sent into my phone. I try getting back to people, but I'm still a human. I still have kids. I still have a wife. I still have a life. So please don't blow me up. Send me a message. I will get back to you as soon as I can, and we will get these things fixed as soon as we can. If you guys have anything for me, please drop a comment. If you guys know people having problems, please share this channel with them. I'm still getting emails on a normal basis about people with just basic fixes on vacuum leaks that they're having. We sell the kit. It's like $39.99 plus $8, I think, in shipping. Since I'm not working, the goal is to get those out the same day, if not next day. If you order a hose, as long as they're ordered typically by 8 o'clock at night, I'm going to send them to FedEx that same night. That being said, if I'm going out to dinner or something, then obviously it could be the next day. But I'm going to try getting a lot better when it comes to getting stuff shipped out. I know these machines are extremely important to a lot of people. You guys are running businesses, or you guys are taking care of harvests that are going on, or anything else. So if you guys need anything at all, please let me know. I hope you guys have a great day. As you see, we're moving. We bought a new house. And of course, the 4th of July is coming up. And being in Alaska the last 7 years, if you know anything about Alaska, it's daylight during July 4th. So we really haven't got to experience it. So went a little overboard this year, but I think we're going to have a great time. And, biggest thing is everybody's being safe. You guys take care. Have a good one.